Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to request a refund on Omio. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Omio application, which of course I've done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you create an account on Omio? Pretty simple. Launch any browser of your choice, and once you do that, locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type omio.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Omio. Once you get into the website, follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account, and after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into the fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Omio. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to request a refund on Omio. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to cancel your booking. After canceling your booking, then you'll be able to request a refund from there. How do you cancel your booking? From this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have your booking. Click on the Your Bookings tab, and that's going to take you to your bookings window. Once we get in there, I'm going to show you the next thing to do. Now here it says you have no upcoming journeys, and that's true because I have not booked any ticket on Omio. But if you do, you'll find all of your bookings organized here. So click on any of your booking, and after clicking that booking, you're going to see an option for you to cancel booking. Click on the cancel booking and follow through the step-by-step instructions for you to cancel the booking. Now, in the process of canceling your booking, you're going to see an option for you to request a refund. So select that option, and they're going to take you through the step-by-step processes by letting you in on the conditions for refund. Of course, after accepting the conditions for refund, go ahead and check your email. Just check your email from time to time because you might not get an immediate response. So check your email for you to get updates on your refund request. Okay, so check your email and you will know if Omio has refunded you or if the booking was eligible for refund. And just check your email and you'll get details for that. But here, there are actually some, will I say, conditions attached to this, and I'm going to walk you in on the conditions shortly. Okay, so we're here. Your career refunds must be requested no later than 28 days after the ticket expiry date. While not all tickets are refundable, you can check your options depending on the fare you selected. So you're off-peak, super off-peak, and anytime fares. Now, these tickets can be refunded through your bookings, which of course I've shown you. And then you have the advanced fare. Now, these tickets can only be refunded if a replacement ticket has been purchased on Omio before departure for the same routes at a different date or time. And you can then request a refund of your original ticket by contacting Omio customer service team. So those are the conditions, of course, attached. And if you want to contact the customer service team, there are a couple ways you can do that. Just go all the way down and head over to Help Center, click on Help Center, and follow through the prompts to contact the customer service team. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, we'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.